my channel, and if you're new to my channel then my name is Vippu, and today I am gonna share this Diwali look with you guys. And if you wanted to see how I created this look, then let's get started. So first I'm priming my face with Miss Claire Professional Makeup Primer, and I really like the feel, how it feels on my skin. It really smoothens out my pores and really I really like the texture of my skin after applying this primer. And now I will correct my under eye circle with this Nykaa SKINgenius Concealing Correct palette. I am in the color medium 2, and I will take the orange corrector from this and I will correct my under eye circle. And I do have a little darkness around my mouth, like my lip area, so I will correct that as well. And yeah,
for my foundation, I'm using this two foundations today. I'm mixing Fit Me and my Wet n Wild foundation. Wet n Wild is in the color Golden Beige, and the Fit Me color I'm using is 310.
Then I'm using this Fit Me concealer. I am in the color medium 25, and I will highlight with this concealer all my highlighting areas, and then I will set this concealer with the Revolution Banana Powder. I am using this NYX palette to contour my face. I am using these bottom rose middle 2 shades to contour my cheek. And yeah, after that today I am gonna use this Inglot Freedom System blush in color 67. It's very nice, it's a very nice peachy shade. And for highlighter today I am gonna use a eyeshadow rainbow from Inglot itself. It's in the shade 131. It is a beautiful, because it's Diwali, I want to use a blinding highlight because I love highlighting my face. And this is a perfect highlighter. And yeah, we are sort of done with the face makeup, and let's move on the eye makeup. For eyes, I am starting with this Morphe 35B palette. And first I am gonna use this color Smoothie, and I will give and I will blend it above my crease area. After that I am gonna use this orange color. I will blend this orange color in my crease. I don't want my crease to be very orangey, but I'm just giving a very hint of color, like a hint of color. And this pack eyeshadow in shade M30. So I am applying this pack eyeshadow in the inner corner and outer corner of my eyes. And after that I'm gonna use this Revolution Reloaded palette, and I'm gonna mix these two colors, and I will darken up my outer corner and inner corner of the eyes. Lemonade, and I will give a halo sort of effect, and whatever is left on my brush I am just blending in the other eyeshadows. And so now for my lower lash line I am using Maybelline Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Liner in the color Glossy Emerald. And this is a very nice emerald green color. And to blend my lower lash line, I'm using the transition orange color we have used. I am blending my lower lash line with this, and to darken up that I am again using the Revolution palette to darken my lower lash line. And then I'm creating a winged eyeliner with this Deborah Milano Ultra liner. It's a jet black eyeliner and it has a very fine tip. Finish off the look, I am using ORIFLAME No Compromise Mascara. It's a very nice mascara and it really lengthens up your lashes, really defines and lengthens up your lashes. Lining my lips, I am using this Incolor lip liner in color N07 Heartbreak, and I will line my lips with this. And to fill in the lips, I am using Maybelline lip gradation lipstick in color pink 2. This is a little bright pink and I don't like this much bright pink. To tone this down, I am using Nykaa Pout Perfect in the shade Sweet as Honey, and I just kind of outline my lips with this and fill in the lips as well to give a gradient look, and it will tone down the bright pink shade as well. And yeah, we are done with the face, and to finish off my makeup, I am setting my makeup with NYX matte finish setting spray. And that's it for today's video, guys. And if you like this look, then don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and do subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.